Hi class, I'm back to continue our lesson over decimal points. Today we will be learning how to round to the hundredths place instead of the tenths place like we did the other day. So remember, for decimal points, if it's 0.4 or less, we round down, and if it's 0.4, 0.5 or higher, we round up. So in order to learn decimals, you have to know the different parts of a decimal, and we went over this last time, but I'm going to give you guys a refresher just to start you guys out. So, as we look at this decimal, the decimal is 1.234. So this is the ones place, then we have the decimal point there, the tens place, the hundreds place, and the thousands place. So we worked with the tens place, which is the place that the 2 is in here, the other day, and today we will be working with the 3. The thousands place will come later, but we will get there, I promise. So I'm gonna give you guys a refresher from the other day. So we had the number 3.2. Think about in your head what this would round to. So we have the number 3.2. So this is the number we're rounding right here, the tens place number. So we have a 2. So that means that's less than 4. So what would we do? We would round down and we would get the number 3.0. So today we will be dealing with numbers that look like this. It'll have 2 places after the decimal point. So we'll have the number 2.32. So instead of rounding this place, we're going to round this place. So if you have the number 2.32, what would you do? Think about that for just a minute, because you have a 2 here, which means it's less than 4, so what would we do? That means that we would round down and we would get the number 2.3. Okay, so here's the next example. We have the number 3.25. So for this number, we look at the 5, and that is equal to or greater than 5. So that means that we have to round up. So the number 3.25 would become 3.3. Okay, so for this last one, I want to give you guys a challenge. Take out your piece of paper, write what you think the answer would be, and we'll look at it in class tomorrow. As we go over this in class, we're going to have a few more examples tomorrow in class, so I just want you to write this down on your piece of paper, and it's okay if you get it wrong, but this is just your little problem for the day. So we have the number 4.95. We're looking at this place. So the number 4.95 would become what? Because this is a 5, and we're rounding this number up or down. So what would we get? This one's a little bit challenging, but I just want you guys to think on this one. So I'll see you guys tomorrow in class. I hope you guys learned a lot more about how to round to in the hundreds place, and we'll be learning how to round in the thousands place soon. So I'll see you guys in class tomorrow. If you have any questions, just write it down on your piece of paper, and we'll deal with it tomorrow. Bye, guys.